The title of this lecture is Communicating and Collaborating with Human Resources. When a worker is promoted to management position, they will quickly find out that they now have a lot of new and different responsibilities than those they were accustomed to. The new manager must learn new things in different areas such as hiring, firing, promoting, performance evaluations, wages, training, supervising, coaching, as well as many other responsibilities. This can be a bit challenging and potentially overwhelming. The best way to adapt to the new management role is to find people which can answer questions. The best source of information is the Human Resources Department. They have knowledge on all of the areas that a manager needs to be familiar with in their practice. Though the Human Resources Department helps to provide people within the organization with information, what they're most known for is the selection of candidates for the various available positions. Usually, the human resources recruiter looks through and analyzes all of the applicants for a position. They then select a few, probably between 3 to 4 people, and recommend them to the manager of the department with the available position. This process of splitting up the selection work between the human resources and management exists for various reasons. 2 principal reasons I can think of are: first, by having the manager make the final selection, the manager now has more at stake in the success of the candidate. After all, the manager was the one which provided input, made the selection, and consequently took some responsibility for the success of the candidate. Second, human resources do not have in-depth expert knowledge of the processes within various departments of the organization. They often have to hire people for skills which they themselves do not have. This is why splitting up the hiring process between the human resources and the actual department where the work will take place allows the candidates to be evaluated by both the human resources generalist and a more skill-specialized manager. As a new manager, human resources can be helpful in providing answers. But at the same time, it is nice to return the favor. One thing which can help the human resources department is job-specific information on what goes on in the department. With detailed information on role requirements and process descriptions, human resources specialists are then able to do their job better in the selection of future employees. Overall, there should be good communication between the human resources department and management.